I'm working on a sign, a Merry Christmas sign, as you can tell, and I'm just going to show you how I transfer the writing onto a piece of wood. So what I do is I make my design on my computer and I print it off and tape it together. And then I scribble with just a pencil along all the lines. And I don't know if you can see it. Maybe I can bring it up for you. But after that, I flip this over and I trace along the edge of the writing. And it makes a very light line. And so now I have exactly where I need to write this up. So I'm going to hurry and just do the Christmas part for you so you can see exactly how I do that. And then we'll paint it. So I've traced it all, and I don't know if I told you, but it's just a regular pencil, and all I did was scribble it. I did use another piece of paper underneath it just to make it easier to see where I needed to do it at, so now I'm just going to flip it over. Now I just have another pencil, and I'm just going to trace along the lines all the way across. Okay, so I finished tracing it. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but I'm just going to remove the stencil because I can tell where every line should be. It's this one. I've got a couple options here. I've got a Sharpie paint and then two other paint ones. The one that I want to try is this artist pen because it's a fine point. So I'm going to try that to trace it, and then I might go through with those bigger pens on certain areas just to darken it. But we'll see if I just decide to do this or what I end up doing. Okay, so I tried that paintbrush and it didn't work very well. So what I've ended up with is just some paint brushes and acrylic paint. This is an outdoor paint that I had on hand. And so this is a size 0 and a size 9, it looks like, on the paintbrushes. So one's a little wider and one's skinnier. So this one I've gone 2 coats over, and this one's 1 coat. So I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it's not very crisp yet like this one. And so I'm going to just show you how I do this part, and then I'm going to go over this part, and then I'll come back and finish this part after it dries, and then you can see the finished product, which will look like this, and then I'll put it in my frame and it'll be ready to go. So I'm going to just hurry and show you how I use just the paintbrush to paint